Alright guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. The name here is John Williams. If you are new here, kindly subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and press on notification bell for more videos when a new video is being posted. Thank you. Freecash is a GTP application that rewards you for playing games, taking surveys, and completing deals. GTP refers to programs that enable users to perform basic chores in exchange for rewards. How do I sign up on freecash? Just like other apps, you need to create an account before you can use freecash. You do that by providing your email address, username, password, and also repeat password or confirm your password before you can create an account on freecash. Yes, you can also sign up by using a Google account, just like other apps. Yes, this is how freecash works. Okay, this website also has its own website again, where you can also take surveys if you don't prefer via your smartphone or laptop. Yes, that is how the apps work. Someone may ask, how do I earn on this freecash app? The biggest con on this app is that as soon as you register, you receive $20 bonus instantly. Incredible, right? Yes, it is not scam. It is very legit. Immediately you create an account on freecash, you get $20 instantly on the website. That's how the website works. However, to receive this bonus, you will need a referral link. You need a referral link. Once you enter the code you have the chance of winning to be mentioned a cash. Yes, you have a chance to be mentioned a cash. Once you log in, start looking for a survey. Each survey lasts around 10 to 20 minutes, and it can reward you from 100 to 1,000 points. Yes, and take note, 1,000 points is $1. 1,000 points is $1. So if you receive 2,000 points, it is $2. 3,000 points, $3. Yes, in that order. That is how the app works. Again, you can take 5 surveys per day, which means you can earn up to $50 for an hour. Earn $50 for an hour. Yes, and half of giving your opinion on certain topics. So you can earn this $50 per hour by taking surveys. The surveys entails in giving opinions on certain questions they will be asking you to do. For example, they will ask you to maybe what is the which country are you from, then you give your answer. Yes, in that order. That is how the survey is being done. Okay, that is how it is being done. And then again, the payment method on which you can withdraw on this freecash app has variety of options. It has variety of options of which you can withdraw. Yes, of which you can withdraw. The first option is via PayPal. The second option is Visa debit card. Visa debit card. The third one is crypto. That is the Bitcoin or the Binance or the Litecoin or the Dogecoin or the Dogecoin. Yeah. And the fourth option is Amazon gift card. Amazon gift card. And the last option is gift cards. Gift cards. Yes. That is how the free cash went. This free cash is a very big platform I've been using to earn money. Using this website for about 3 months and I've been making more money from this app. Yes, I've been making more money from this app. Yes. Another fantastic advantage on this website or this app is that, or this platform is that users can pay out once they hit a minimum of $0.5. $0.5. So you can take a survey which will earn you $0.5. Immediately you hit $0.5, you can withdraw your balance. But this is on one condition. This is only done through Bitcoin. So you can withdraw a minimum of 0.5 through only Bitcoin. So if you have Bitcoin and your free cash account balance is 0.5, you can withdraw your $0.5 into your Bitcoin account. Yes. As a result, you can get paid without finishing any task. Yes. You can. But when it comes to PayPal and gift card withdrawals, you need a minimum of $5. You need a minimum of $5 before you can withdraw your balance. Yes, you need a withdrawal of $5 for the balance. So if you find this video helpful, you will like, comment, and most important that you subscribe and press on the notification bell to get updates of my video when a new video is being posted.